Hello, this is Deep Learning ICP 6. In this, we are going to study unsupervised learning, and in that, particularly auto encoding. So, for that, first of all, uh, install all the packages that need, and after that, select the encoding dimension, and after that, input the image as shown in here. After that, we have to encode the dense layer to the image to see whether it increases the accuracy and decreases the loss or not. After that, create the model auto encoding model and set and fix your data to the model. After that, split the data into training and testing data and give the dimensions to it. And also you can change the encoding dimension later on and try for the same image again by adding the hidden layers. And after that, the same process is repeated again. And after that, the prediction is calculated using the auto encoder model. And after that, we will plot both the accuracy and loss for both the data after doing the auto encoding. And auto encoding is mainly used to encode the data, and it is used to predict the data with more accuracy by eliminating the noise in the data line. So in order to eliminate the noise, we have to decide on the noise factor. So we have decided as we have introduced the noise to, so we have to check whether it removes the noise or not. So after defining the noise factor, we are going to introduce training noise and testing noising into the data, and we will predict the data on the auto encoder model again. So at last, we will calculate the accuracy and loss for the predicted data, and we will plot the data. I have already run the program for you. As you can see, it will run in 5 echoes for 60,000 samples. And this is how the data for the first dimension and how it is predicted. And later, after changing the dimension, it has predicted like that. And here I have calculated the accuracy and loss and plotted it in here using the matplotlib. And this is for the noise factor, how much is the noise factor present in the data we have used to train and test. So this is the today's ICP. Thank you.